ChatGPT, or any other language model for that matter, cannot replace data scientists. While language models like GPT can be very useful in many natural language processing (NLP) tasks, such as language translation, summarization, sentiment analysis, and text generation, they are not designed to replace the expertise of a data scientist. Data scientists play a critical role in the development and deployment of AI models, including language models like GPT. They are responsible for tasks such as data collection, cleaning, pre-processing, feature engineering, model selection, evaluation, and deployment. They have the skills and expertise to understand the data, identify the right algorithms, and fine-tune the models for specific use cases. Data scientists also have the ability to interpret the results and communicate them to stakeholders. Language models like GPT are just one tool in the data scientist's toolkit. They can be used to speed up the process of data exploration, provide insights into the data, and automate some of the tasks of data cleaning and pre-processing. However, they cannot replace the expertise of a data scientist when it comes to making important decisions about the data, designing experiments, or understanding the business context of the data. In summary, while language models like ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in the hands of a data scientist, they cannot replace the role of a data scientist in developing, deploying, and interpreting AI models.